Hi, it's Oliver from Stafford Land Rover, and today I'm going to be showing you around this approved used vehicle.
Let's take a look at this beautiful Land Rover Range Rover Evoque Autobiography. The vehicle features a 2-litre D200 diesel engine and an automatic gearbox. This Range Rover Evoque is finished in the stunning Santorini black exterior colouring. The vehicle sits on these 21-inch 5 split-spoke alloy wheels with a diamond turned finish. At the front of the vehicle we have these matrix LED headlights with signature daytime running lights, and at the rear of the vehicle we have these LED tail lamps. Now taking a look inside the rear of the vehicle, we are greeted with our electric power tailgate, revealing a rather large amount of boot space. As you can see, you could quite easily fit a set of suitcases, your weekly shop, or maybe even a set of golf clubs. Located underneath the boot space, we have access to extra storage capacity. And once again, at a click of a button, our electric powered tailgate will close itself for you. Now taking a look at the rear seats of the vehicle, straight away on these air vents here we have the ability to control the airflow within the rear of this vehicle. Located just below that we have access to our heated rear seat controls, setting the perfect temperature for our rear passengers. The seats themselves are composed of this ebony leather. We also have access to a centre armrest which will easily fold away to comfortably seat a third passenger. And the seats also feature these rear isofix points, available for any younger companions to join you on your journey. Now taking a look inside the front of the vehicle, we have our leather multifunctional heated steering wheel, our colour touchscreen display, and once again these gorgeous ebony leather seats. Now these seats are electrically adjustable with plenty of height and seat adjustments available. They're also heated and cooled, and even feature a memory function so that the driver and passenger can always resume the perfect travelling position. Now returning back to our leather multifunctional heated steering wheel, on the left of the steering wheel we have our media controls, and on the right of the steering wheel we have our lane keeping aid, cruise control, speed limiter, and heated steering wheel controls. And this Range Rover Evoque has done 12,988 miles. However, this is subject to change due to test drives. We also have multiple driver displays to choose from, including navigation, media, trip summary, 4x4 information, driver assistance, a clock, and the ability to turn it off for anyone who might find this distracting. Now taking a look at the vehicle's colour touchscreen display, we have all the essentials like a DAB radio system and Bluetooth telephone functionality to take those all important calls on the go. We also have access to a satellite navigation system so the driver can easily navigate to their destination. The vehicle is also equipped with a rear view camera system, which is a great feature to have when getting your vehicle in and out of those tight parking situations. We also have access to Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and even a valet mode to keep your personal information and address safe when having the vehicle valeted. By clicking on 4x4 information, we can access key information tab when taking the vehicle off-roading. We also have easily accessible vehicle dimensions, which once again is another great feature to have when trying to fit your vehicle in and out of those tight parking situations. On our second display screen here we can access the vehicle's terrain response system, which offers you multiple different programs to suit the terrain that you are driving on. By clicking on seats we can access our heated and cooled front seat controls, and also our heated rear seat controls, ensuring that everyone who travels within this vehicle can travel at the perfect temperature. By clicking on climate we can access the climate controls and the airflow within the vehicle. Now taking a look at the climate control system, as you can see the climate control system is both easily accessible and easily adjustable for both the driver and passenger of this vehicle. Once again, at a click of a button we can access our heated and cooled front seats, ensuring that everyone can travel in the perfect temperature. Now this Range Rover Evoque is also equipped with a fixed panoramic sunroof, which is a great feature for sunny days or summer drives as it allows plenty of daylight into the vehicle, creating a nice light open feel. This vehicle comes with minimum 1 year's warranty and 1 year's roadside assistance. For more information, call us on 01785 899 446 or inquire online now.